we're on the search for something wonderful. She needs to go to jail for a big reason. Hey, I think I found her. Uli Alston. If you find her around here, then you need to grab her because she's wanted. You may ask, why is this beautiful face with the big ears wanted? Because she is wanted for being too cute. She is way too adorable. And look at these paws. Aw, you get kissies too. Okay, now I need to be serious and not get distracted by her adorableness. Okay, now let's see if we can get her to lay down. Will you lay down? Will you lay down? And she has an adorable tummy. This is how you know if it's her. Cutest dog alive. That's how you know it's her. She is the cutest dog alive. And the only way you can tell, well, it's easy to tell. Because she is the cutest dog alive. And comment down below if you think anything's cuter. Because I don't see anything that would be cuter than this. Look at the paws. Oh, guys, she's also ticklish. Look at this paw. Oh, tickly. Okay, now here's the whole view. I'm backing up with the camera. Oh, you can also tell by her big butt. Again, wanted. She has done some big crime for being too cute. This is a serious channel of policemen. Now, if you find her, please call a number like Beanbag Rock Computer Phone so we can get her to make sure that she's not doing any more crime of cuteness. And what kind of crime of cuteness is? Well, she walks around houses with her big, beautiful brown eyes, sleeping with her big ears and her big butt, walking adorably. And if you say that's not a crime, then you don't know what a crime is. Because this is a humongous crime. And it is serious. There's another dog wanted named Rocket for also being too cute. Oh, and biting. Oh, let's get that out of the picture. So, as you can see, we have two adorable doggies. And they have done big crimes. One's going to lick the other paw. Are you being sweet? Are you being sweet? Are you going to be a nice puppy? Tell me that's not adorable. That yawn is adorable. Don't try to act tough. Seriously, you're too cute. And he, oh my gosh. She might not be too ticklish, but he, oh my gosh, he is so ticklish. Okay, let's tickle your paws. Oh, he's already ticklish and I barely even touched it. I love you. But you but you've been in a bad crime, mister. You too. Look at this crime face. Don't show it to me, show it to the camera. Oh, okay. Tell me that it's not a crying face. Comment down below if you have seen these two crimesters. Again, call beanbag book computer dog blanket thing. I don't remember the word, but whatever. If you've seen these dogs, make sure to let them know. Let me know that you have found them, because they have been a bad crime of adorableness. Okay guys, I just caught him eating something that he's not supposed to, so let me get him an act. Hey Rocket, what's that you're chewing? Hey, what are you doing? What are you chewing? Really?